If Microsoft Defender suddenly stops working when you run a quick scan or full scan, don't panic and don't disable Defender. You're not the only one experiencing this. Several Windows users are reporting that Microsoft Defender suddenly stops or crashes while performing a virus scan. In some cases, it shows error message, the threat service has stopped, restart it now. And interestingly, the problem appears to be connected to recent Microsoft Defender security intelligence updates. According to current reports, the issue affects Microsoft Defender versions 1.1.26, 0.70.7 and 1.1.26, 0.80.2 when they are being used with some specific security intelligence versions listed on the screen. Some users initially suspected the recent Windows 11 security update KB5121003 because the problem appeared around the same time. This is the update people talking about. Well, I haven't installed it yet. If it's not there, check it in update history. However, users have reported that uninstalling this update doesn't necessarily fix the problem. The stronger connection appears to be with these recent Microsoft Defender security intelligence definitions. Fortunately, there appears to be a very simple fix. Users on Reddit have reported that updating Microsoft Defender to security intelligence version 1.457.236.0 or newer resolves the crashing problem. And because Microsoft continuously releases new security intelligence definitions, you don't need to search for this exact version. Instead, just install the latest version available for your PC. To do that, open Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down until you find Virus and Threat Protection Updates. And then click Protection Updates. Here you can also check which security intelligence version is currently installed on your PC. Now click Check for Updates. Windows Defender should automatically download and install the latest security intelligence definitions. Well, I'm on the latest version already, so I'm not affected. Once the update is installed, restart your PC if necessary. Then open Windows Security again and try running a quick scan. If the problem was caused by one of these affected Defender definitions, your scan should now complete normally. So if Microsoft Defender suddenly stops scanning on your Windows PC, don't uninstall Windows updates or disable your antivirus as your first step. Simply updating Defender's security intelligence definitions may be all you need to get it working again. And if you're already running the latest security intelligence version but Defender is still crashing, then your issue may have a different cause and will require additional troubleshooting. I'll keep an eye on this issue and update you if Microsoft provides any additional information. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.